So what are we doing here, Jay?
Oh, we are removing the important bits of a dashboard here, just so we don't make a giant mess of expanding foam or whatever the heck this stuff is. Are we doing the right thing here, just to be able to remove this assembly out of here?
It's this one right here. Or are you wanting to keep this housing?
You think this is what takes it out?
I think so. What size is it?
10.
Alright, give me a second.
Yeah, you may be correct. Just maybe.
Just maybe. That's why it keeps me around.
Yeah. You know. Gotta have at least one person that knows what's going on here.
You gotta have someone with common sense. No.
This tilts forward and then it
there you go,
goes
buddy.
that way. There you go. Okay, you want to show everybody what that is? Or just make them guess.
This gem, if you can't tell by the writing on the front,
Is 1991's finest.
classic. One
This,
of a kind.
This is before they slowed airbags down. If you know what I mean.
Back in the day, these used to do some pretty major damage to people.
Isn't this like one of the 300-mile-an-hour ones? So anyway, it's a two-stage or got two igniters on it. So we're gonna wire them together so we can do them both at the same time for maximum efficiency.
So you want to give a little disclaimer here, Jay?
Do not do this at home. I am a professional. Do not try this at home.
We have to emphasize, do not try this at home.
No, for real. Don't do this at home. So we've got two igniters or
Yeah, I know.
whatever, so we're gonna wire them together so they both go at the same time.
That seems
I've
very
been-
safe. Are you feeling confident about it?
Not really.
I'll stand back.
Does this seem safe to you?
No.
You want to do the honors, or
Give me some earplugs. Just in case I want to freaking blow my ear.
that's the least of your worries? They touched okay? Okay. Well.
Ooh, baby. Again, don't try this out.
No. For real. We are professionals, even though we're scared of here. Okay.
Even so, I mean, this shit is dangerous. That shit be dangerous.
Man, this is not a very good
Here, just
connection. Like, it's not a... I should have grabbed the other extension cord, but as long as you make contact down
There we
there.
go.
We're hiding the important bits here. I don't think it's on camera. So,
All right, well, we'll find out what the...
TRW airbag from 1991 with two. This is passenger side airbag with. It's a big one. So back at it here. This is a what if scenario. You got in a little fender bender. Your hood is stuck closed and you're not really quite sure how to get it open. Your airbags didn't deploy yet, and so this is how you open the hood.
Safety first, right?
Blast shield, rated for atomic. 1, 2, 3, 14. Wah, wah, wah. Sal's connections over there aren't so good. Okay, notice that we do still have our blast shield. We just put it on invisible mode. This is why they're dangerous. And oh! Yeah, and very hot.
Let's see how hot it is. So we're gonna get to Fahrenheit. There we go. Damn.
Go towards the center. I can smell it too.
It's freaking hot. Oh, look at that. He's playing with my ear. Oh. Curtis, our safety guy. Nice job. Thanks for keeping us safe.
Everything went off with a blast.
Well, that seemed to loosen that up quite nicely. The old airbag trick did the job. So welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're gonna do an OBS Chevy rescue. Not exactly on this one. I think this one's pretty well bit the dust, but we're gonna do an OBS Chevy rescue on one that's kind of over behind the camera. That OBS over there is a 99 Z71 Tahoe, and the engine's bad. It's got real low compression in 2 cylinders. So this truck was purchased basically for the engine. This is not fixable. So today we're gonna yank the engine out. We're gonna see how quickly we can do it. Maybe give you a little bit of time-lapse action. Try to keep it under an hour. We'll see how that goes. So, not the video, the actual pulling the engine. So, without further ado, we're gonna get to it. Here we go. Come in a little bit. A little bit more. What?
It's bending that.
Yeah, it will. It'll bend it a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt.
Is it gonna hit that? Should I loosen it?
Yeah, I mean, it's working. Okay, it's off the motor mounts. Huh?
Look at this thing.
What?
It's
Look at what
blowing
thing?
the crap out of it.
Yeah, it's Harbor Freight special. It's good. Sal needs the extension. Okay, hold on. I hear something binding.
Yeah, it's hitting over here.
It's actually looking pretty good.
He's just mad I'm dating his sister.
Yeah.
No comeback for that one?
Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Okay.
Back?
Go up a little bit.
Yeah. Ooh. Too hot.
Okay.
Hang on. Yep, everything's free. Just got a long bell housing.
Two-wheel drive, 4L80. Which might just be going in a 68 Camaro real soon.
Ooh! Ready?
Yeah, be really careful because it's going to swing down. Okay. Now let's let it down a little bit.
Are you ready?
Yes. Okay, let's go back away from the truck a bit. And that's it.
I call that a win.
That's a win. Okay, so we call this a win, I think. It's finally out. Since this is a 1-ton truck this came out of, that's a 4L80 two-wheel drive transmission. So we might be trying to do something fun with that, maybe like a 68 Camaro coming up. We'll see. We'll keep you informed of that. Might be a little while. But this was pulled for, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video, an OBS save project, rescue project. Come over here, I'll show you what we're doing. We've got this 99 Z71 Tahoe. It's still a really nice truck. It's got 2 dead cylinders, so that's why we pulled this Vortec out of this other truck. So you might see some future content on this Z71. And that's pretty much it for this video, folks. So like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how we're doing, and we'll catch you on the next video.